In this video, I'll illustrate how to attach the harness and seat belt. This will generally apply, the harness at least, whenever Elizabeth is riding in a vehicle. She always needs to have this harness on anytime she's being transported in a vehicle because it helps her keep in the chair in the event of some sort of accident. Now the seat belt she will always have on when she's in the chair because that helps her to stay safe and make sure that she doesn't fall out of the chair. But as you can see here, this is the seat belt. This is the seat belt right here. And this sort of X-shaped piece is the harness. And I'll show you how to do that. The seat belt should be attached in the chair like this. In other words, it should not be hanging down because then it can get in the wheels and rip it off of the platform. Anytime Elizabeth is not using the chair, the seat belt should be clasped together and in this position right here. Okay, and so when Elizabeth is put in the chair, of course the seat belt is taken apart and then put together like this, and then tighten down using this handle right here. So that keeps her secure. Anytime Elizabeth is in a wheelchair, anytime she's in a wheelchair, the seat belt must be engaged so that it keeps her safe and keeps her from tumbling out of the chair. Okay, in this video we'll explain more about how to attach the harness. We normally keep it stored back here, sort of tucked in, just so that it's not dangling down around the wheels. It doesn't really matter so much how that's done. It might be stuck in here. Elizabeth will also have a book bag on it, can be tucked in there. But we just want to make sure it doesn't get in the wheels. We keep one of the clasps engaged right here. That gives a good starting point. It also makes sure that we don't lose the harness or misplace it. So drape this across Elizabeth's shoulder. Then take the other one and drape it across our shoulder and attach this clasp right here. And then there are two clasps that are down lower. We normally keep these draped right here again so that they don't get down around the wheels. That's very important. So we normally keep that draped right there. And I'm going to move around to the other side. And I'm going to take this clasp off of that same place right there and then clasp it here and this one clasp it here. And then at that point Elizabeth is secure. And just to reverse that then, all you do is just undo these. Undo 3 of them. And as I mentioned, keep one of them engaged and tuck it back here somewhere. And then the lower straps, drape these over right here. If you can zoom in on this, just so in other words, I took this and I'm draping it right over there just to keep it out of the way, and then I do that with the other one also. So that's how the harness works.